Hello and welcome everyone. This is Mohammed Inzamam from SAIMEDHA ECET Coaching Center, Koti, Hyderabad. SAIMEDHA Koti, Hyderabad has started a new course, guys, for all the ECET 2024 aspirants from all branches, ECE, EEE, Mechanical, Civil and Computer Science. Mining, Metallurgy vallu kuda, yes, they can also take the coaching. So, ee course vishayaniki explain చేయడం కంటే ముందుగానే this is the video lecture series, guys, maths abhyasam inverse trigonometry video lecture 3. In this very videos we are going to be talking about analysis of the PYQs. ఆ PYQs ఎన్నిసార్లు రిపీట్ అవుతున్నాయి, ఆ PYQs బేస్ చేసుకొని the most expected question in ECET 2024 we are going to discuss about that questions. Okay, so my dear students, ఈ టైంలో అతి తక్కువ టైంలో మనం ఎట్లా ప్రిపేర్ కావాలంటే ద మోస్ట్ ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ క్వశ్చన్ గన్ షాట్ బిట్స్. ఒక టాపిక్ తీసుకుంటే ఆ టాపిక్కి వెయిటేజ్ బట్టి సపోజ్ 10 మార్క్స్ ఇస్ దేర్, 100 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు బి ప్రొవైడెడ్ ఇన్ ద సాయిమేధా కోటి హైదరాబాద్. ఓకే, సో ఈ కోర్స్లో మీకు గన్ షాట్ బిట్స్ అనేది ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. మీరు చదివేటప్పుడు కూడా గన్ షాట్ బిట్స్ చదువుకోవాలి, ఎగ్జామ్ రాసుకోవాలి. ఎగ్జామ్లో అయినా మిస్టేక్స్ పోతున్నాయంటే ఆ మిస్టేక్స్ని రెక్టిఫై చేసుకోవాలి. ఏదైనా అర్థం కాకపోతే దెన్ విల్ బి హ్యావింగ్ ద ఫుల్ లెంత్ వీడియో లెక్చర్ సిరీస్ ఆల్సో. సో అదే వీడియో ఎక్కడైతే మీకు అర్థం కాలేదో బిట్, ఆ బిట్కి సంబంధించిన కాన్సెప్ట్స్ అనేది క్లియర్ చేసుకోవాలి. దాంతోపాటుగా PYQs అనేది ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. అండ్ డెఫినెట్లీ ఎస్, పాసిబిలిటీస్ దేర్, యూ కెన్ పర్ఫార్మ్ వెల్ ఇన్ ద ECET 2024. సో ఈ ఎంటైర్ కోర్స్కి యూ నీడ్ టు పే ఓన్లీ 2,900 రూపీస్, గైస్. ఈ కాంటాక్ట్ నెంబర్స్కి ఎస్ డెఫినెట్లీ యాజ్ సూన్ యాజ్ పాసిబుల్ కాల్ చేయండి అండ్ రిజిస్టర్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. సరే, ఈ కోర్స్లో ఎగ్జామినేషన్ టెస్ట్ సిరీస్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఎందుకంటే అతి తక్కువ టైంలో మోస్ట్లీ మనం బిట్స్ ప్రిపేర్ కావాలి, ఎగ్జామ్ రాయాలి. సో ఆ ఎగ్జామ్స్ టెస్ట్ సిరీస్ ఏ విధంగా ఉంది చూడండి. కెమిస్ట్రీ గ్రాండ్ టెస్ట్, ఫిజిక్స్ గ్రాండ్ టెస్ట్. సో అరౌండ్ 5,800 బిట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. మన దగ్గర ఉన్న టైం ఇప్పుడు 56 డేస్ మాత్రమే. 56 డేస్లో 5,800 బిట్స్. ప్రతిరోజు ఒక 100 బిట్స్ అయినా మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. 5 స్లాట్స్ పెట్టుకోండి. 24 అవర్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ ద టైమ్. హౌ యూ హ్యావ్ టు స్పెండ్, ఇట్స్ అప్ టు యూ, గైస్. 24 అవర్ టైమ్స్లో ఒక 5 స్లాట్స్ పెట్టేసి 5 స్లాట్స్ 20 20 20 20 20 100 క్వశ్చన్స్. ఎస్, పాసిబిలిటీస్ దేర్, యూ కెన్ కంప్లీట్. కష్టమే కానీ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి మై డియర్, 100కి మీరు ఏం చేస్తే ఖచ్చితంగా యూ కెన్ కంప్లీట్ మినిమం 50 to 60 బిట్స్, రైట్? 50 to 60 బిట్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేసిన ఇన్ అండ్ అరౌండ్ 56 డేస్ గ్యాప్లో యూ కెన్ కంప్లీట్ మోర్ దాన్ 2,500 3,000 బిట్స్ వరకు కూడా మీరు కంప్లీట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో ఈ విధంగా 3,000 బిట్స్ అనేది ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయగలిగితే ఈసెట్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ 200 బిట్స్కి డెఫినెట్లీ యూ కెన్ పర్ఫార్మ్ వెల్. సో ఈ కోర్స్ గురించి మళ్ళీ ఇంకోసారి మాట్లాడుకుందాం. బట్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్, గైస్, లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ ద వీడియో ఇన్ విచ్ విల్ బి టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ ద ఇన్వర్స్ ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ PYQs and then based on that concept expected question in the ECET 2024. Okay, observe the question number 1. This is a verification substitution method, guys. In the substitution method we'll be taking some angles as given in the question. First of all, you need to memorize that inverse of any function is called as what? Angle. Okay, that is the basic point. Inverse of any function, inverse of function is angle. Angle plus angle plus angle is how much given? Pi. Pi is 180. So I can assume this 180 can be written as, okay, 60 plus 60 plus 60, that is pi by 3 plus pi by 3. Can we write like this or not? Yes. 60 plus 60 plus 60, it is going to become 3 times of pi by 3, pi. Okay, so cos inverse of alpha, we'll be assuming the cos inverse of alpha as what? Cos inverse of alpha is equals to 60. That means alpha is equals to cos 60. We know the value for cos 60 is equals to 1 by 2. Similarly, beta is will be getting 1 by 2. Similarly, gamma also you will be getting as 1 by 2. Okay, alpha, beta, gamma. All the angles 60, 60, 60. Alpha value, beta value, gamma value 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Now substitute that alpha, beta, gamma in the question. What is the question given? Alpha square, beta square, gamma square. So what is it going to become? 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 2 alpha, beta, gamma. 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. This 2 gets cancelled. 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. This is 4 by 4. 4 by 4 answer is what? 1. As to explain you guys, I am doing it over the board. But once we know the concept of the question, guys, we are not going to put the pen over the paper also. Okay. In this manner, yes, SAIMEDHA Koti Hyderabad is going to be giving you these methods, guys, to prepare for the ECET examination. Okay, this is not my question. This is the PYQ question, guys, appeared in the ECET to 1994. You will be seeing this question from the 1994 to 2023. How many times this question concept has been covered. Okay, moving on to the next question. Let's see the next question given over the board is Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y plus tan inverse of z is equals to pi by 2. With formula also you can solve, but we are practicing the substitution method. That is angle plus angle plus angle is 90. So we will be assuming that 30 plus 30 plus 30 is equals to how much? 90. That means tan inverse of x 30, tan inverse y 30, tan inverse of z 30, pi by 2 is 90. If tan inverse of x is equals to 30, then x is equals to tan 30. Tan 30 value is what? 1 by root 3. That is y is equals to, z is also equals to 1 by root 3, because all are 30, 30, 30. What is the question? xy plus yz plus zx is equals to. That means 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3, this is xy, plus yz is again 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3. Again zx is also 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3. So what are you going to get here? 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, that is 3 by 3. 3 by 3 answer is 1. As simple as that. Okay, what is the correct answer here? 1. Sir, no, I'll solve it with the formula. I'll try to solve with the formula. I know the formula, tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y plus tan inverse of z equal to tan inverse of x plus y plus z minus xyz divided by 1 minus of xy plus yz plus zx. I want to use this formula also. Okay, well and good. If you remember the formula, use it, you'll get an answer 1 only. Okay, moving on to the next question with the same substitution method. Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y plus tan inverse of z. Question appeared in the year TS ECET 2015, AP ECET 2018. Repeated asked question. Same concept. We know now it is 180. 180 means what we can write? 60, 60 plus 60. 60 plus 60 plus 60 is what? 180. If tan inverse of x is equals to 60, x is equals to tan 60 value is root 3, that too it is equals to y and z. Because all we are assuming as 60 only. What is the question he asked? X plus y plus z is equals to. X plus y plus z is root 3 plus root 3 plus root 3. What is the answer? 3 root 3. Now the option is not there in the 3 root 3. In the option you are not having the 3 root 3. That means you need to solve with the same x, y, z value substituted in the option also. Okay, 0 is wrong answer, 1 is wrong answer, x, y, z. X, y, z means what? Root 3 into root 3 into root 3. This is 3 root 3. Yes. X minus y minus z. This is root 3 minus root 3 minus root 3. Plus root 3 minus root 3 cancel. This is minus root 3. Minus root 3 is wrong because we require 3 root 3. 3 root 3 is in the option number 3. So x, y, z is the correct answer. Okay. Observe. If you remember the concept, guys, assume just angles, right? Okay. Moving on to the next question. Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y plus tan inverse of z is given as 180. That means again same thing. 60, 60, 60. X is equals to tan 60 value root 3. That means x is equals to y is equals to z is equals to root 3 we can assume. Substitute here, root 3 into root 3, 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, 3 by 3, 3 by 3. Answer is what? 1. 1 is there in the option number 2. As simple as that. Okay, within seconds we can do this concept, guys. And this is not my generated question. This is a PYQ question. TS ECET 2020. This question was appeared. Okay. So try and understand this concept is how much easily. If this concept appears in the ECET 2024, you are not gonna waste your time, right? Okay. Moving on to the next question. Sin inverse of x plus sin inverse of y equal to 2 pi by 3. So what we can assume here? Sin inverse of x is equals to pi by 3. Sin inverse of y is equals to pi by 3. Pi by 3 plus pi by 3 equal to 2 pi by 3. Pi by 3 is 60. Sin inverse of x is equals to 60. Sin inverse of x is equals to 60. X is equals to sin 60. Sin 60 value is equals to root 3 by 2. Okay. Sin inverse of y is equals to 60. Y is also equals to root 3 by 2. So in here we can write cos inverse of x. X is equals root 3 by 2. Cos inverse of y. Y is also what? Root 3 by 2. So in the cos inverse root 3 by 2, where are you going to get the root 3 by 2? Sin 60. Cos is 30. 30 means what here? Pi by 6. Pi by 6 plus pi by 6. Pi by 6 plus pi by 6. 2 pi by 6. 2 1s are 2 3s. What is the answer now? Pi by 3 is your answer. Go through it. What is the correct answer going to become for this question going to become? Pi by 3. Okay. This problem in the previous yesterday's class we discussed as pi by 2 form. Let me do that form also here. Sin inverse of x plus sin inverse of y is equals to 2 pi by 3. I told you cos inverse of x plus cos inverse of y is equals to, assume as z. Sin inverse plus cos inverse, this is called as pi by 2. Sin inverse plus cos inverse, this is also called as pi by 2. This is 2 pi by 3 plus z. This is pi minus 2 pi by 3 is equals to z. 3 pi minus pi by 3, z is equals to pi by 3. This is also one of the easiest method. Based on which form? This is based on pi by 2 form. This is based on substitution method. Any of the following method you can do in the examination to solve the problem. Okay, as simple as that. Okay, moving on to the next question. Now, based on this, we have analyzed the PYQ questions up to 2023, whatever appear, 2020, 2022. Okay, so 2024, this kind of questions which has not appeared so far. Okay, let's see. Sin inverse plus sin inverse plus sin inverse is pi by 2. Then the value of x square plus y square plus z square is equals to 2yz equals to. So this is 90. 90 can be written as 30 plus 30 plus 30. Sin inverse of x is equals to 30, then x is equals to sin 30. Sin 30 value is how much? 1 by 2. That is y is equals to z is also equals to 1 by 2 because you are assuming the same angle here. So what is the question? X square. X square means what here? X square is equals to 1 by 2 square y square, 1 by 2 square z square, 1 by 2 square plus 2 times of x, y, z. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 4 by 4, answer is what? 1. This is your ECET question. Expected question in the examination. Okay, go through it once. It's matter of seconds, guys, to understand the concept. Matter of seconds. Once you know the seconds, once you know the concept, guys, easily you can practice all this kind of questions. Moving on, next expected question. Sin inverse of y plus sin inverse of x, sin inverse of y, sin inverse of z, 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 means here you can assume this is pi by 2, this is also pi by 2, this is also pi by 2. Pi by 2 plus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. Sin inverse of x is equals to 90, then x is equals to sin 90. Sin 90 value is equals to 1. If x is equals to 1, y is equals to 1, z is also equals to 1. What is the question here? 1 power 100. 1 power 100 is what? 1 only, right? So we can write here 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 9 divided by 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3 minus 9 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 is 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. So what is your answer gonna become now? Option number 2. That is 0. Okay. Is it a hard question? Is it a hard concept now? No, sir. It's very simple. Okay. Moving on to the next expected question. That is sin inverse of x plus sin inverse of y plus sin inverse of z is equals to 180. 180 means what? Here we can assume that it is 60. This is also 60. This is also 60. 60 plus 60 plus 60 is equals to 180. If sin inverse of x is equals to 60, then x is equals to sin 60. Sin 60 value is equals to root 3 by 2. X is equals to root 3 by 2, y is equals to root 3 by 2, z is also equals to root 3 by 2. All are similar terms. I'll solve first term, then I'll add the similar answer 3 times. Okay. X root 1 minus x square. That is root 3 by 2 into 1 minus root 3 by 2 whole square. This is going to become 1 minus 3 by 4. 4 minus 3 by 4. 1 by 4. Under root of 1 by 4. Under root of 1 by 4. That is 1 by 2. That means root 3 by 2 into 1 by 2. That is root 3 divided by 4. Answer for x root 1 minus x square is root 3 by 4. Then y root 1 minus y square will become root 3 by 4. So root 3 by 4 plus root 3 by 4 plus root 3 by 4. What is the answer? 3 root 3 by 4 is your answer. In the option we don't have the 3 root 3 by 4. Let's multiply the x, y and z now. X, y and z, if you multiply x, y, z, that is root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. What are we going to get? This is x, y, z. Okay, x, y, z. This is going to become 3 root 3 by 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So this 3 root 3 by 8, what we need to multiply to get the 3 root 3 by 4? Okay, 3 root 3 by 4 multiply with 2. Multiply with 2. That means this is going to become what? 2x, y, z. 2 1 the 2 4s are. So what is the answer now? 3 root 3 by 4. So now this answer matches. 3 root 3 by 4. Our answer is what? 3 root 3 by 4. Question ka answer em vachindi 3 root 3 by 4. Option ka answer em vachindi 3 root 3 by 4. A option ki manaku 3 root 3 by 4 vachindi 2xyz. So what is the correct answer going to become here? 2xyz. Okay. Moving on. Question number 4. Cos inverse of x plus cos inverse of y plus cos inverse of z plus cos inverse of t. Now 4 angles are given. Equal to 4 pi. That means this is pi, pi, pi. This is also pi. Pi, 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 4 pi. Okay. If cos inverse of x is equals to 180, x is equals to cos 180, cos 180 value is equals to minus 1, that is y equal to z is equals to t equal to also minus 1. All the values are minus 1. So minus 1 whole square. minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 whole square. I am writing to explain you guys. In examination, you are not gonna write, right? You will be directly telling 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. What is the answer? 4. In the option number 3, you are having the 4. So this is the correct answer. Very simple, guys. Go through it. Last question. It is somewhat different from the previous questions, guys. Now we have to think about the x and y values also. Okay, I am assuming x value is equals to 0, y value is equals to some 1. It's your wish, which whatever angle you want you can substitute, but conditions are there. You should knowing the angle there. Okay, if I substitute here 1 by 2, do we know the cos when we are going to get the 1 by 2 value? Yes sir, sin 30 cos 60, cos 60 is 1 by 2. So we know the angle here 60. You cannot substitute 22 here because 22 by 2 is 11. In cos, do we get the 11 value, guys? No, we don't get the 11 value. So we cannot just simply select any values. We have to assume the values whose angle is known. Okay. So I am going to be assuming the x value is equals to 1, y value I am going to assume 0. Cos inverse of x by 2, that is cos inverse of 1 by 2 plus cos inverse of 0. Okay, is going to be giving us theta value. This is misprinted, guys. This is the theta value. Okay, this is theta. So cos inverse of 1 by 2 sin 30 cos 60. So this is going to become 60. And cos inverse of 0. Cos inverse of 0 is what? At what angle you will be getting the answer as 0? 90. Okay, this is 90. So this is 60 plus 90. 60 plus 90 is what? 150. So theta value is equals to how much now? 150. X value is equals to 1. Y value is equals to 0. Now resubstitute the same values in the question. What is the question given? 9x square, 12xy cos theta plus 4y square. I have assumed y value equal to 0, y value is equals to 0, here y, 0 into anything, 0, 0 into anything, 0. So left out part is 9x square. That is 9 into x value is what? 1 square. 9 ones are 9. 9 must be your answer. In which of the following option you will get the 9 as answer? Let's try and understand. Okay. First of all, we will be solving the option number 1, 36 sine square 90. Theta value is 150. We know that sine 150 can be written as sine 180 minus 30. Sine 180 minus 30 is sine 30. Sine 30 value is 1 divided by 2. Sine 30 value is how much? 1 divided by 2. So this sine square 50 will become sine square 30, 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. Pakkanna emundi 36. 4 ones are 4, 9s are. So yes, option number 1 is itself your correct answer. Okay. You can choose any values here. Okay. Possibilities of values are many. Okay. You can substitute x value is equals to 0. Yes. You can substitute x value equals to 1. You can substitute x value is equals to 2. You can substitute x value is equals to root 2. And you can substitute x value is equals to 2 by 2 is 1. And root 3 also we can substitute. X value equal to root 3. Similarly, y value also you can substitute as 0, y value you can substitute as 3 because 3 by 3 is going to become 1, y value you can substitute here 2 root 3 or root 3, 3 root 3 we can substitute, right, because 3 root 3 then no, not 3 root 3, not 3 root 3. What if we substitute to get the root 3 by 2, y by 3 is equals to root 3 divided by 2. Then 3 root 3 by 2, yes, we can substitute here 3 root 3 by 2. Suppose y by 3 is equals to 1 by root 2 I require. So you can substitute 3 by root 2. Okay, you can substitute here 3 by root 2. Yes, possibilities are there. Okay, for which angle is known. In short, I am trying to say angle is known. You know how many angles for sine and cos? Usually 5. That is 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. So that's how we will be solving this type of questions in the examination. These questions anedi, okay, these are selected questions from where? From the SAIMEDHA app only. Okay. Remember this course, guys, 2900 lo all the branches ECE, mechanical, civil and computers ECET examination 2024 rastunnarante kachchitanga this course is going to be very helpful for you. MSET examination students are discussing about ECET test series, guys, because what we can say ఈ number of bits అనేది ఎక్కడైనా ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నారంటే అది ఓన్లీ సాయిమేధ కోటి హైదరాబాద్ in online test series platform, guys. 5800 bits, okay, in one online test series platform, guys, has not been anywhere in any online test series throughout the India. Yes, it's not there, guys. 5800 bits in online test series platform for only one examination, and that too for this reasonable cost, affordable cost, 2900 లో వీడియో లెక్చర్స్ తో పాటు టెస్ట్ సిరీస్ తో పాటు గన్ షాట్ బిట్స్, వీడియో explanations of PYQs, these many courses I can challenge guys throughout the India for any course. No one is providing guys. Okay, so ఇంత కోర్స్ మనకు ఎన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్స్ అనేది మనకు అవైలబుల్ ఉన్నాయంటే ఖచ్చితంగా 56 days 5800 బిట్స్ టార్గెట్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. టైమ్ ఈజ్ రన్నింగ్ డైలీ. ఐ హావ్ కౌంటింగ్ ద డేస్ ఫర్ 57, 56, 55, 54. I'll be till counting last 30 days, last 15 days, last 10 days. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి మై డియర్. ఎంత జల్దీ ఇప్పుడు ఇంకా ప్రిపరేషన్ స్టార్ట్ కాలేదు, ఈ రోజు నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేయండి. ఎస్, పాసిబిలిటీస్ దేర్, యూ విల్ గెట్ అ గుడ్ ర్యాంక్ గైస్. ఓకే, సో మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, what are you waiting for? Take your mobile phones, contact to these numbers and book your seat in this course for 2900 rupees. Every single day we are updating the free video lecture series. This is the TRIGONOMETRY video lecture 3. Tomorrow we will come back with one more video lecture guys, and till then keep learning with SAIMEDHA.in. Thank you very much guys.